Good day, class. We are here again for a new lesson entitled Common Materials in Construction, Electrical, and Automotive Works. For the content standard, demonstrate an understanding of the consumables and component parts in industrial art services. For the performance standard, the learners perform simple diagnostics and simple troubleshooting in industrial art services. For the learning objectives, at the end of the lesson, the students are expected to identify common materials used in construction and explain how they are used. Identify basic materials used in electronics and electrical work and describe their functions. Identify common materials used in automotive and small engine maintenance and repair. For the content vocabulary we have consumable. It is an item used during operations that requires frequent replacement. These materials are usually worn out, used up, or disposed of after use. They are different from tools, which can be used repeatedly. Materials are raw products used to create or build objects such as structures, furniture, or machines. They serve as the main components in construction and repair works. Consumable materials. These are used only once or have limited usage due to wear and tear. They need regular replacement during work operations. Examples include paint, cement, and electrical wires. Common construction materials: woodworking, masonry, and construction painting. These areas involve materials commonly used in building and finishing structures. Consumable materials in woodworking. Wood finishing materials protect wood and enhance its appearance. Penetrating finishes soak into the wood grain for internal protection, while surface finishes form a protective layer on top. Both help improve durability and aesthetics. Example: shellac, lacquer, varnish, wax, dye, paint. Consumable materials in masonry. Common consumable materials in masonry include cement, bricks, aggregates, and rebars. These materials are essential for creating strong and stable structures. Consumable materials in painting. Construction painting uses consumables such as paint, brushes, rollers, sandpaper, and masking tape. These materials help protect surfaces and improve visual appeal. Most of them wear out after repeated use. Construction materials in plumbing, metalworks, and tile setting. These works require specific consumable materials to ensure proper installation and finishing. Consumable materials in plumbing. Plumbing commonly uses PVC, ABS, PAR, and steel pipes. These pipes transport water and waste safely within a building. Fittings and valves control the flow of water, while sealants prevent leaks. Teflon tape and PVC sealants are commonly used in threaded connections. These consumables ensure tight and secure plumbing systems. Fixtures include sinks, faucets, and toilets installed in plumbing systems. They serve as the end-use components for water delivery. Proper installation ensures functionality and hygiene. Metalworks consumable materials. Metalworks use consumables such as cutting discs, grinding discs, welding electrodes, and shielding gas. These materials are essential in shaping, joining, and finishing metal. They are consumed during operation and need replacement. Tile setting consumable materials. Tile setting uses tiles, tile adhesive, grout, sealants, and edging trims. These materials help secure tiles and provide a clean, finished look. Most are applied once and cannot be reused. Consumable materials in electrical and electronics. These materials are used during installation, assembly, or repair and are often consumed or replaced after use. Proper selection and handling ensure safe, efficient, and reliable electrical and electronic systems. Electrical work consumable materials. Electrical work uses consumables like electrical wires, switches, plugs, breakers, and electrical tape. These materials ensure proper power distribution and safety. Correct installation prevents electrical hazards. Electrical conduits and accessories. Conduits, junction boxes, clamps, and utility boxes protect electrical wires. They organize wiring and prevent damage. These consumables are necessary for safe electrical installations. Electronics use semiconductors, conductors, insulators, soldering materials, and adhesives. These materials help connect and protect electronic components. Many are used once during assembly or repair. In addition, these consumable materials play a crucial role in ensuring proper signal flow, electrical insulation, and mechanical stability of electronic circuits. They support the safe operation of devices by preventing short circuits, overheating, and component damage. Automotive and small engine consumables. Automotive works use consumables such as engine oil, coolant, grease, brake fluid, and fuel. These materials maintain engine performance and safety. Regular replacement is necessary for proper operation. Automotive and small engine consumables. Automotive works use consumables such as engine oil, coolant, grease, brake fluid, and fuel. These materials maintain engine performance and safety. Regular replacement is necessary for proper operation. Automotive parts and fluids. Spark plugs, batteries, filters, gaskets, and brake pads are common consumables in vehicles. They wear out over time and must be replaced. Proper maintenance ensures vehicle reliability. Now, let's have a short quiz. 1. Which material is considered consumable because it is used once and needs frequent replacement? A. Hammer. B. Paint. C. Measuring tape. D. Screwdriver. What type of wood finish penetrates the wood grain to protect it from inside? A. Surface finish. B. Varnish. C. Penetrating wood finish. D. Paint. Which plumbing material is commonly used to prevent leaks in threaded pipe connections? A. Grout. B. PVC pipe. C. Teflon tape. D. Fixture. 4. Which of the following is a common consumable material used in electrical work? A. Rebar. B. Electrical wire. C. Tile adhesive. D. Engine oil. What primary materials are used in carpentry works? A. Steel. B. Pipes. C. Wood. D. Wire. Here are the answers.